Diploma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she was. The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's me, Kirby Marie, and today we're gonna get into a hair tutorial. So Wiggins sponsored this video. They sent over some hair for me to try, a wig, may I say, and that is the bag, and that is what comes in the bag. A edge brush, some lashes, the wig, of course, which we see right now, and also a wig cap, y'all. And the bag is so cute. But right now, I'm showing the wig. I didn't even have to bleach or do none of that to the wig. I did pluck it, but it was like pre-plucked, so I went ahead and plucked it off camera. If y'all want a plucking tutorial, let me know. I kind of messed up, so where you see me like flat ironing, I'm going to get a ventilating needle, so therefore when I mess up in certain areas, because I know how to pluck, I just don't know why I did that, but you're gonna see me fix it, because basically that area is going to be for the baby hair, so it's not going to be like no need. But anyways, I went ahead and plucked it off camera, y'all, and this is what I have so far. I did pluck the middle part as well, and look at those edges, baby. I'm gonna let this down, so let's get into it. I took this wig cap, y'all. I love these type of wig caps. It is so seamless. It looks so ball like, and I love it. I like the other caps too though, because it give a little bit more of a cover up of the black hair, but I love these as well. Okay, it make the lace look realistic to me. I don't know, that's just my opinion, or the ball cap look more realistic, but either or, I love these caps. I do prefer these caps over the other ones because they are easy to apply. Also, they look very seamless. So I went ahead and took my even and I set under the dryer, and I am now cutting off the excess lace, y'all, so I can get this perfect ball cap. And then, you know, the edges that are white right now, you're going to take your glue before you lay down your lace, and you're going to go ahead and get rid of that by using it. So don't worry about that. Just make sure the ball cap is laid correctly. I tried to go with my hairline, so that's the main purpose. And y'all, I got a bald spot on the side of my head, and we're testing out this oil that we're going to be selling, so I'm going to see if it works. And if it works, y'all gonna see my hair grow back on the side. Child, that sewing that I had when I went to the Juice WRLD Day of Celebration concert. That sewing, when I had got the maintenance, well, when I did the maintenance video and my hair was done, then my toes and all of that, that sewing took my edges out. So yeah, my hair is so fragile, y'all. So that was a ball cap, and I'm just putting alcohol on it just so I can get a perfect melt. I'm testing the wig out to see if everything is perfect. I love how I plucked it. Yes. The only thing I can say about this wig is it matches me a little bit. Like, it's giving my undertones. Do y'all feel that? Like, it's giving my undertone colors. Right there, I did have my mom size the wig so that I could put it behind my ears, and that's all I was showing right there. Now I'm going to take this cream, Ruby Kisses Cream HD Foundation, 3D foundation, and I'm going to cover this with that ball cap. But that ball cap looks so good, y'all. It is really eating, okay? Period. But yeah, I'm going to put that on the cap, and I'm also going to put that on the wig as well. I'm going to take my Erica J watermelon lace glue. I don't know what she calls it. I think it's Hold Me Down lace glue. And I'm going to put 2 coats this time. I did put 3 coats on my last week. I know the last week y'all was asking me about, but we did do a tutorial for that one. However, I put 2 coats for this one, and when I say 3 coats gonna hold it down, it's gonna hold it down, baby. 2 coats will too, but I didn't, like I said, I didn't wear this wig that long, but 2 coats definitely gonna have that wig. Well, 3 coats gonna have that wig sitting. 2 coats gonna have it sitting. But y'all, this is some good glue. So if y'all looking for some glue, try her glue. It's really good. So now I let the glue dry. I'm just trying to place it, and honestly, I did not place it in the middle, y'all. I was so mad. I was so mad. I'm doing this makeup tutorial. And the makeup tutorial is gonna be on Instagram, the Instagram Reel stories. I told y'all I'd be on Instagram Reels, y'all, doing the makeup tutorials. But I'm laying this lace down, trying to get it, the tips of the hairline right on top of the glue where it starts. If I didn't, I did go ahead and take my even, so that therefore I won't do that. And I kind of think I should have did this because why? I had more lace out, so you're gonna see me have more lace out than expected. And when I cut it, I didn't like push it back or, try to cut most of the lace off. I just left it there. I put that melt band on. I think this came in there. It actually is supposed to be like elastic band to hold your wig, so you can sew it on the back and like hold it like almost like glueless. But I used it as a band and I like it, so I'm gonna keep using it. I did, like I said, I plucked the middle. I did put concealer in the middle of my part. Look at that, melted. So I was just trying to basically get some of that even glue off that I sprayed, y'all. And like I said, where the plug areas are at, like on each side that I like plucked out too much, y'all gonna see it's gonna work out perfect. So I am trying to push some of that lace back, but the even, you got it, boy. And especially if you sit under the dryer, that even is not gonna play no games with you. Okay, it's gonna melt. So yeah, I did this side really good too, but make sure you cut all the excess lace off. Okay, it's melted though. However, I could have cut more lace off that was needed to be cut off. I did go ahead and try my best to like melt this into my skin. So I used the 3D even lace. Well, no, the 3D even. I mean, sorry. Y'all took it, y'all. I used the even 3D foundation, and now I'm just basically parting out the areas where I want my edges. I did lay it down, and that's how you get your edges to lay down. Okay, I'm gonna cut my baby hairs. I try to start off a little longer, but I'd rather do small because it's all gonna go. I love how it swoops. I be trying to look at picture references, but yeah, this is the style that I like. It's more easier for me too. So my mom is just gonna curl these baby hairs after she cuts them, and she's curling right now. She's going down instead of up. I mean, it really don't matter which way you go, but she's going down, and now she's gonna take some Gorilla Snot glue, and she's just going to swirl these edges, y'all, just like that, just as you see it. She's not gonna do the other side, but this side is a perfect angle for y'all to see. These are the edges snatched, y'all. Look at that. I'm going to melt it down one last time, and I'm going to go do my makeup, which I did. So now she's curling the hair. This is a T3i curling iron, and I have the 1-inch barrel. I'm going to go get the other one, which is the smallest one before that, because I feel like that one gives a wave, but it's neither here or there. I like it. But this is redundant, so I'm going to keep it right here. I'm not going to talk anymore. I just want y'all to go check out Wiggins hair in the description right below. Check out all their links. Also, the link to this wig, y'all. And let me tell y'all, even though it matches my undertones, like it's like a red ginger hair, I think it came out gorgeous. It's giving me very much corporate length. It's giving me very much, this is like a perfect length, y'all. And it's, I don't know, it's giving me business. I don't know, it's just giving me that. But I don't think you can wear this color in business. Comment down below if you can. I don't know. But y'all, the makeup I did will be a real video, so go ahead and check that out. But don't forget to go check out Wiggins hair in the description right below. Also the link to this wig. Details on this wig as follow. This is a body wave round bob lace front wig. It is a short wig, a 13x4 dark brown wig, and it's human hair, y'all. And I don't know what length I have. I will leave a description right below. But y'all, she's finishing off these curls, and I just want to say, don't forget to subscribe to this video, comment, rate, and subscribe, y'all. And don't forget to leave a comment down below telling me whether you like this hair on me, y'all. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next video.